Hello friends, today we are going to talk about winged scapula. Scapula also called as shoulder blade. Shoulder blade is a bone it's a flat bone which sits on the rib cage, and it sits on the rib cage because of one muscle, that is serratus anterior. Now if this muscle is weak, serratus anterior, if it is weak, it causes the scapula or the shoulder blade to move away from the rib cage. That is why you see the bone coming out. It is protruding out. Yeah, now generally there are no symptoms when this condition is formed, so where patients don't take treatment. But as the condition goes on deteriorating, the shoulder motion becomes difficult. There is pain, there is difficulty lifting objects, lot of weakness. So today we'll see certain exercises which will help to increase the muscle strength of serratus anterior.